in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hide the search box from appearing in your taskbar on your Acer laptop, tablet, or desktop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, come back with settings, open that up. On the left side, select personalization. On the right side, scroll down and select where it says taskbar. And then where it says search up at the top, click on the drop-down field and you can select hide, and that will hide the search box. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.